We opened this branch because of our commitment to our customers and the Heartland region.
70% of our preventative maintenance customers are within a half an hour of Fort Saskatchewan.
A good example of that is today when we had a tech at our Heartland Branch. We got a phone call, and within 30 minutes, we're on site fixing their equipment.
Welcome to the Heartland Branch.
That was like perfect.
That was like angels.
I'm thinking choir.
Yeah.
Okay, gentlemen, we're good. That's a wrap.